Feature flags are the developer's best friend, but what if I tell you that if you got locked in any particular single vendor, then it might ruin the whole experience of the project maintainer, as well as also the project lead who's been maintaining it for since a long time. That's why cncf for the cloud native landscape actually built a standardizing tool for the whole feature flags as well, that came to be known as the OpenFlag. OpenFlag is a CNCF incubating project that provides an open as well as a vendor neutral API for feature flag management. It is an open source project that frees you from any single vendor lock-in kind of a policy, and you can instrument your code in the OpenFeature SDK, which is a common API. Simply you can just configure the provider for any particular feature flag vendor you want to use, and whether it is a commercial use or either for the self-hosted solutions as well, it doesn't depends. It's all depends upon the project that's been managed. If you ever want to change the provider that has been used for hosting your application or the microservice architecture as well, you can just swap out the providers without touching your application code, and the declarative approach just simplifies the workflows and gives you the complete freedom as well for changing or switching between the different providers of the cloud solutions as well. What's important to know is that the OpenFeature was actually being founded by the Dynatrace and the other industry leaders as well, in order to ensure that the future flag remains open for the standardizing of the whole cloud landscape, and it's a testament to their commitment for the open source as well. OpenFeature in this way is not just a library, it's more of a flexible and open ecosystem. It's what allows the developers to innovate along with the feature flag without worrying about getting vendor locked in any particular cloud provider they've been hosted upon. So that their whole complete, the application code, they doesn't have to write the whole application code. They can just switch between the different cloud providers without having to write the whole, the code for the feature flags as well. You can just switch between the different providers and with a lot more flexibility, and that's why OpenFeature was built by the CNCF as well and the Dynatrace, and collaborated effort by the Dynatrace as well. That's all for the OpenFeature. If you want to know more about this amazing project, then just tag the OpenFeature as well as also CNCF landscape and Dynatrace, and if I get ping back, then I'll make a dedicated video for this amazing project. Till then, thanks a lot. Radhe Radhe.